Happy Friday, YouTube. So the other day I was talking to all of you on here about what an extra $500 a month would mean for you and your company, your family, etc. And I went over a few items. For example, paying down debts, saving for that trip you've been wanting to take. And I'm sure you can think of a few others, right? And that was just based on helping 1 to 2 people a month with their final expense coverage. Now, if you didn't watch that video, what I'll do is I'll post it here in the comment section so you can watch it, because I broke down how exactly you're gonna see, that extra $500. But one of the things that I talked about, and I always talk about, is leads. So yes, I sell leads to others that are not in my agency, and I've been doing that for several years now. But my number one business has been selling insurance. And the way we've been able to sell insurance at a scalable rate over all these years, good years, bad years, not so good years, it's always been based on having a lead generation system in place. And that lead generation ranging from newspaper inserts, direct mail, television, which was my favorite, radio ads, which we did for many, many years. And all of these different avenues just created great sources for us of people that wanted to talk about final expenses. Again, leads. So it brings me to this. If you've gotten your license, you're looking into getting your license, whether you want to do this part-time or you want to do this full-time, it's good to invest in a good set of leads. Now, what is a good lead? It really comes down to somebody that wants to talk to you about final expense insurance, and they truly want to quote. That's really what it comes down to. Did they say they want to buy? No. But they truly want to get more information as well as a quote on insurance today or in the near future. So there's many sources out there where you can generate them. The idea is to get your hands on them. There's different price points. The idea, again, is to get your hands on them. You see a pattern? Consistency in your lead purchases every week. It really comes down to consistency in your lead purchases, and obviously managing your sales every month to where you're able to make a small profit and duplicate the process all over again. Leads. Currently, what we offer agents, whether they work with our agency or we sell them leads, is if they order leads, we can guarantee them a conversion ratio if they follow our training. And I recommend everyone to do that. But our lead sources for Spanish, including Spanish, is live transfers where people are surfing the internet in Spanish and English, whether Facebook, landing pages, and they're asking for this information. And then our staff, whether onshore or offshore, is following up with those people. And once they're interested in speaking to you and me, they are transferring the call. That is my favorite one. Then we have the most expensive one, which is a live inbound lead. Again, the customer is surfing the internet, they come across the landing page, and they have a call to action where they can make the phone call right then and there and talk to you or me. Inbound, but there's no human involved. Again, more expensive for that type of traffic. Then we offer agents the lead, which we call callback leads, where people that were not able to transfer or people that didn't want to be transferred because they wanted a phone call at a later date, or they set up an appointment at a later date. Those are the three main types of leads that we've been offering at a big scale. Because one of the challenges in lead generation, ladies and gentlemen, is when you're like a local agent, door knocking agent, the challenge becomes in the logistics. If you're sending paper, if you're sending direct mail, it's not recommended to drop the same zip codes, within 60 days. So if you drop one area and then in 60 days you're doing it again, then you're safe. But there's a lot more challenges, a lot more logistics involved with that. When you're selling over the phone or virtual, then it becomes less restrictions because you can work the whole state. And if you have several states, it opens up the door more for your lead volume and scalability. So again, I hope this helps you guys understand the importance of having leads, the importance of being trained properly, because what you don't want to do is buy a bunch of leads and then you don't make enough money to recover your investment, and you're in the negative and you're having to borrow to even keep going, and that's not fun either. But having great leads of people that want to talk to you about a final expense quote is a great point to start, but you've got to do it consistently every single day, every single week. And then when you look back at it 90 days later, you'll be able to see, the amount of people that, you've helped sign up for insurance. So again, lead-driven business is the way to go. And if I can help you get an order for leads, give me a call today. I was able to help 6-7 customers roughly on a lead order ranging anywhere from 100 Spanish Facebook leads to, small, ACA orders to final expense. Everyone needs leads. But again, you got to find the right one. So if I can help you with leads and training, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. A little bit more about how long I've been doing lead generation. I've been in the marketing of insurance products for well over 15 years. I started on television advertisements. You guys see me here on YouTube, but we started on TV advertisements. We've done direct mail advertisements. And now we're just getting really heavily involved in digital marketing. For the last year, we've been advancing and growing, our digital marketing presence, and it's been awesome because it just means more leads for you and us to go out and help with when it comes to final expense. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.